Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a Telegram account with a fake number. So in order to create a Telegram account with a fake number, what you'll have to do is you need to install a third-party application. So for that, you need to go to your Play Store. After that, on the search box, type in Text Me app. Now this is the particular app that we're looking for. So click on the install button and install the application. In my case, I've already installed the application. So click on the open button and you can see that the application has already been logged in. So after that, you also need to register for this particular account. Once you've done that, you need to go to this number icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. So in order to get a phone number, click on plus get a first phone number, which is right at the bottom. After that, you need to select the country's code. Now let's go with US. Now select a state. After that, select a particular phone number from among this for 14 minutes. So you can see that the timer is also there. Now copy the phone number and then go ahead and open up your Telegram application. After that, enter in the phone number that you recently copied. Click on the arrow icon as soon as you're done entering the phone number. Click on the yes button. Now you'll be asked to enter in the verification code. So what you need to do is for the verification code as well, you need to open up that particular application and then check for the verification code right over here. So it might take a while in order to get the verification. So all you have to do is wait patiently until you get verification. And as soon as you're done entering the verification code, you'll be asked to select a name. And after that, you have successfully created a Telegram account with a fake phone number. In this way, you can create a Telegram account with a fake phone number. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.